Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Panda Guide, and this is your old friend Andrew from Sichuan Province, the Panda Province. Andrew. Over the past year, I posted some Jiuzhaigou travel guide videos and my travel moments with guests on social media. I got lots of feedback, lots of questions, so I cherry-picked some and try to answer them in today's video. Question 1. Where is Jiuzhaigou and how to get there? Jiuzhaigou is located in the north of Chengdu, about 420 kilometers away. There are mainly 4 ways to get there: private car, coach, train, and flight. Normally for us, for Chinese, we will choose either private car or train. By private car, you will have more flexibility like point-to-point pickup and drop-off and stop whenever it's convenient. The best plan is to drive from Chengdu in the morning, arrive at Songpan in the afternoon, visit the Songpan ancient town, which is also very close to Huanglong National Park. And then the next day, visit Jiuzhaigou. This plan is not to rush, and you will have chances to visit 3 places in 3 days to maximize your travel experiences. If you choose a private car, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are very flexible and affordable. By train, you need to book the ticket on trip.com beforehand. During the busy season, the tickets could be sold out fast, so do plan beforehand. Then you need to transfer to the Chengdu East railway station by either taxi or metro from your hotel, which I believe most likely in the city center, right? Then you need to take the high-speed train, which will transport you to Huanglong Jiuzhai station in about 2 hours. After you get off the train, you need to take a bus or taxi to Zhangzhou town, where Jiuzhaigou National Park is located. This will cost you more than 1.5 hours. So if you take the train all together, you need to transfer 3 times and it costs more than 4 hours. Question 2. What is the best season to visit Jiuzhaigou? Officially, the busy season is from April 1st to November 15th, during which the ponds, lakes, streams will be filled with water, mountains will be carpeted with lush greenery, weather gets warmer but not too hot. And at the same time, the tickets goes up to 260 RMB, including 190 for the entrance and another 90 for the scenic bus. And hotel price could go up as well. So basically, late spring, summer and autumn are good times to visit. But what is the best time? Personally, I would recommend late autumn, from the second half of October to the first half of November, during which the leaves are presenting different colors and you don't want to miss it. If you come to visit during the winter season, you will also have the best scenery if there is snow in Jiuzhaigou, but you need to be lucky on that. Question 3. What is the best tour route inside the Jiuzhaigou Park? The whole Jiuzhaigou Park resembles a Y letter. All you need to do is to follow the official guidance. After you hop on the scenic bus, you will be transported all the way to the very inner area of Jiuzhaigou, which is on the right tip of Y letter. From there, you will start to walk back to the central point of the Y letter, where you will rest and have lunch. After you get energy back, you will hop on another bus to the left tip of the Y letter, where the long lake is located. Remember, there are many fixed bus stops where you can hop on and hop off as you like. Question 4. How many days I need to fully explore Jiuzhaigou? Jiuzhaigou is very big, huge. Most people will spend one full day by just visiting some of the best spots. Some will come back on the second day, others will revisit in another season, which is very common. Question 5. Is the ticket valid for 2 days? As I said, Jiuzhaigou is very large. Some may wonder if I can re-enter the park with the same ticket on the second day. Well, the ticket is only valid for 1 day. Question 6. Can I stay overnight inside of Jiuzhaigou Park? Sorry, you cannot. Question 7. What are hotel options near Jiuzhaigou? Jiuzhaigou Park, as one of the 5 UNESCO sites in Sichuan, offers a wide range of hotel options, from homestay to luxurious hotels. Most of the hotels are located in Zhangzhou town. During the busy season, particularly the May Day holiday and the National Day holiday, you may avoid visiting Jiuzhaigou since the price will double and the Jiuzhaigou will be packed with tourists. Question 8. What local food specialties should I try? Are there many dining options? The local specialties, of course, the Tibetan food. For example, the yak soup, Tibetan pork, yak milk yogurt, and butter tea. Of course, you will have other options like hot pot, Sichuan cuisine, and even McDonald's. Halal food is also available. There are the Chinese bubble tea shops as well. Question 9. Is Jiuzhaigou at high altitude where I experience altitude sickness? The altitude inside the park is from around 2,000 meters to 3,100 meters. Normally, you will not experience altitude sickness unless you do jogging or running. But I always suggest those who travel to Western Sichuan to buy a few bottles of oxygen tanks in advance, just in case. The last question, can I fly a drone inside Jiuzhaigou Park? Well, currently, drone is not allowed in Jiuzhaigou. Okay, those are the 10 most asked questions about Jiuzhaigou that I got. If you find this video useful, don't hesitate to subscribe, give me a like and share. Of course, for foreigners to visit Sichuan, you will have more and even simpler questions regarding the Jiuzhaigou, Huanglong, Bipengou, Dagu Glacier and Giant Panda. So leave your comments or contact me directly through WhatsApp. That's all for this episode. Again, this is Andrew. More China travel, life and business info coming up. See you soon in Sichuan.